in last class we studied about total cost, total fixed cost and total variable cost. Today we can study about short run average cost. We know what is short run and what is long run. Okay. Then what is short run average cost or SAC? Short run average cost incurred by the firm is defined as the total cost per unit of output. Then what is short run average cost means? It is the total cost per unit of output. Means suppose total cost of a firm is 100 rupees and what is the suppose if total cost of a firm is 100 rupees and quantity is 10 piece. Okay, then 100 divided by 10 short run average cost equal to 10. Okay, then suppose here total cost of a firm is 100 rupees, then 100 divided by 10. Okay, quantity is the maximum quantity produced is 10. Then 100 divided by 10 we can write it as 10. Okay, then this is the total cost of a short run average cost of a firm. Means in short run average cost we need to divide the column total cost by quantity. Okay, then we'll get the short run average cost. We can see that in this table. Okay, here you can see the here you can see the column short run average cost. Okay, this is the column of total cost. Okay, this is the column of total cost. Okay, this is the column of short run average cost. Okay, these are the total cost and this one also total cost. Okay, then product is output is 0, that time total cost is 20. Means here we can see here it is total fixed cost is there. Okay, because land or machineries we need to pay some amount, that reason here it is 20. And variable cost means labor is not there, that time output is 0. That time we can find out short run average cost is not possible because quantity 20 divided by 0 is not possible to find out. Next one 30 divided by 1. 30 divided by 1 means that one is answer is 30. Okay, then this is the column of short run average cost means total cost divided by quantity, then we will get the short run average cost. Next one is 38. Quantity or output is 2. 38 divided by 2 it is 19. Next one is 44. 44 divided by 3 it is 14.67. Okay, next one is 49. 49 divided by 4 it is 12.25. Next one is 53 divided by 5 it is 10.6 and 59 divided by 6 it is 59 divided by 6 it is 9.83. Then 67 divided by 7 it is 9.57 and 80 divided by 8 it is 10. Okay, then next one is 95 and next one 115. 95 divided by 9 and 115 divided by 10, then we'll get the answer 11.5. Then we know how to find out the short run average cost. Okay, total cost divided by quantity is short run average cost. Short run average cost defined as the total cost per unit of output. Okay, similarly we can find out average variable cost also. It is defined as the total variable cost per unit of output. Equation is AVC average variable cost equal to total variable cost divided by quantity, TVC divided by quantity. Then average variable, we studied what is total variable cost. Variable cost means which is varying factor. Okay, we know labor is varying factor. Then Here total variable cost divided by quantity is average variable cost. Okay, then in this column we know, here you can find out total variable cost. This column is the total variable cost. Okay, then total variable cost divided by quantity, we will get the average variable cost. Total variable cost divided by quantity. This is the quantity column. Okay, we need to divide this column we need to divide by quantity. Where is the quantity? This column is the quantity, means 0 divided by 0. Here is the total variable, average variable cost. Answer 10 divided by 1, 10, and 18 divided by 2, 9, and 24 divided by 3, 8. Here 29 divided by 4, then we'll get the answer 7.25. Okay, then next one 33 divided by 5, then we will get the answer 6.6. 39 divided by 6 means TVC divided by quantity, we will get average variable cost. Last one 95 divided by 10, we will get answer 9.5. Okay, this is the average variable cost. Then what is average variable cost? Average variable cost is total variable cost divided by quantity, then we will get the average variable cost. Okay, next one is average variable cost over next one is average fixed cost. Average fixed cost is, we know what is average fixed cost. Some factor will be fixed. For that one also producer need to spend some money. That one we are calling as average fixed cost. Here average fixed cost equal to AFC equal to TFC. TFC means total fixed cost divided by quantity. Okay, then in this table we know what is TFC, total fixed cost. This column is the TFC. Okay, this is the TFC. This column need to divide by quantity. This is the quantity column, means 20 divided by 0. This one, next one 20 divided by 1, 20. 20 divided by 2, 10. 20 divided by 3, 6.67. 20 divided by 4, 5. Okay, then 5, 20. 20 divided by 5, it is 4. Okay, next one 20 divided by 6, 20 divided by 7, 20 divided by 8, 20 divided by 9, 20 divided by 10. Okay, then we will get these values and we will get the answer. This column is the answer. Okay, you can see this column. In this column we will get the answer. Average fixed cost means it is the total fixed cost divided by the average quantity, then we'll get the average fixed cost. Means this 3 column means total fixed cost divided by quantity, then we'll get answer in this column. Okay, then next one is, then we got the average variable cost and average fixed cost. Then if we are adding average variable cost and average fixed cost, we will get the short run average cost. Means this column average variable cost, this is the average variable cost column. Okay, this is the average variable cost column. Okay, this is the average variable cost column and this is the average fixed cost. When we are adding these two, we will get the short run average cost. Means we will get this column, means 20 plus 10, 30. Here 10 plus 9, 19. Okay, Okay, then 6.67 plus 8 is 14.67. Here 5 plus 7.25, 12.25 means average fixed cost plus average variable cost is the short run average cost. Okay, this one 3.33 plus 6.5, then we will get the answer 9.83. Okay, then average fixed cost plus average variable cost is the short run average cost. Next we can study about short run marginal cost. Then what is short run marginal cost? We studied what is marginal cost. It is defined as the change in the total cost per unit of change in the output. Equation is short run marginal cost equation is change in total cost means delta TC divided by change in output. We know the symbol delta. Delta TC divided by delta Q, we will get the short run marginal cost. Delta represent the value of the variables. Okay, here this column is the short run marginal cost. We know delta what is SMC, that one we know. Change in the total cost. What is the change here? Here it is 20 and 30. Difference. What is the difference between 30 minus 20? Means it was 20, production increased to change. What change happened? It increased to 30. Then 30 minus 20, answer is 10. Okay, first one will be same. Then second onwards, we need to find out 38 minus 30, it is 8. 44 minus 38, it is 6. 49 minus 44, it is 5. Okay, then here 53 minus 49, it is 4. 59 minus 53, it is 6. Means what is the change happened? Previous how much was total cost? Okay, with that one we need to subtract, means 67 minus 59, 8. Okay, then 80 minus 67, 13. Okay, then 95 minus 80, 15. 115 minus 95, it is 20. This is the short run marginal cost. Okay, then short run marginal cost is defined as the change in total cost per unit of change in the output. What is the change in total cost? Need to divide. If we are applying with this equation, what is the change in total cost here? It is 30 minus 20, 10. 10 divided by 1 means change in the, here what is the change? 1 minus 0, what is the change? 1. Here if we are taking 2 minus 1, what is the change? 1. Here then 38 minus 30, change means what is the change? 8 divided by 1. Okay, here it is all is 1. Okay, like that also we can find out. Here we can apply the equation and we can find out the short run marginal cost.